Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a pergola without using any glitches or overlapping tricks. It's simple and only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, you just need a place wall where you want the pergola to be. For example, like this. And then next, just add a floor piece on top of the wall. And then just expand the floor until it reaches the size that you want. For example, like this. And then next, just place low walls around the edges of the floor like this. But in here you can adjust the color of the low walls. For example, like this. Just adjust the color that you like for your pergola, so it will match to your pergola later. And then just arrange the wall like this. You can just follow my step like this. Like this, you can see it. And then after that, after you arrange the low walls like this, just open the decorations again, and then just use the wooden wall sculpture, and then just place it like this, and then just change the color to match your low walls. For example, in here I want to make it black like this, and then next just stretch the sculpture across the full length of the floor, and you can even make it slightly longer so uh so it will extend past the edge for a cleaner look like this. And then next just repeat the same process on every side until you create a classic pergola roof with an open slat designs. And okay, like this you can see it. And once the roof is finished, just delete all the temporary walls and the floor underneath like this. Like this. And finally, just place pillars on four corners to support the roof and give your pergola a realistic, sturdy appearance. And okay, like this, your pergola is done. Now you have a beautiful pergola without using any glitch or overlapping techniques. And then next you can just decorate the space underneath however you like to match your styles. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.